Hello, welcome back to another day at the road Bech and calls. We're in Bali, and yeah, basically my first time in Bali. Dad's been here numerous times, and yeah, we're going to go and explore today, see what we can get up to, and just wing it as usual. Yeah, let's see what we get up to today. We are staying at the Winter Holiday Villa in Kuta. It's in a decent location with only about a 100-metre walk to Kuta Beach. Cuda Beach is known as a place to go for a great sunset and a cold beer. Okay, so straight off the hotel, Cuda Beach, right behind me. Yeah, just another beach. I'm not overly impressed by it, but there's a heap of vendors all along between the road and the beach. Don't know where we're going to go next, but just letting Dad lead the way, and yeah, we'll see where we end up. So far, there's a lot of chaos, but a lot of things getting built and whatnot, but yeah, it's definitely different to what I'm used to. Huh. Okay, so just up in the tree behind me is a squirrel. I didn't know they had squirrels in Bali. Huh. Well, America's long lost cousin down here. So far, just going for a bit of a stroll down this concrete walk alongside the beach. And yeah, it's like 32 degrees Celsius and 80% humidity. Dad's there behind me. Just a nice little stroll along. Just getting hammered by vendors. Just hammered. Just they're coming up to you asking all these questions, you know, trying to get your business. And there's all these little offerings on the side, like on the footpath and off to the side. You got to make sure. Yeah, I've almost trod on a few of them. But yeah, there's another vendor. Just trying to get your attention to get them to sit on their chairs. So yeah, not too bad. It's just very different here. That's all. There's just so much going on. But yeah, it's very different down here. It's the best thing I can say. So we're going to go and check out the view from the bar apparently. We're having lunch here before we continue on our escapades for this afternoon. Yeah, so that's the shots I've been getting of the beach just out there. And yeah, we've got a special menu right here, right next to me. I'm checking out, and then there's the table menu as well. So
here you go, you can have the sailor burger.
There's a lot.
You can have a BLT.
Cheers.
Cheers.
I'm on the water, he's on the beers. Okay, well we've got just some bread. Oh, some breadsticks.
Yep.
And some butter.
Butter? The dishes and stuff, really pretty. Have they?
Yeah.
Put your butter in.
It's like a mortar and pestle.
Yeah. Really pretty.
This is the starter, calamari with tartar.
Lovely.
Sauce.
Lovely.
Beautiful.
Enjoy.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Rightio, Dad. Well, I don't know about you, but I'm starving, so tuck in. Get into it.
Into it, sir.
Tata. Yum. Good. Oh, look at that. It's amazing. Well, that's mine.
That's yours.
Waiting on yours.
Yeah.
They weren't wrong about them being king prawns.
Ah.
There's my hand for reference. Damn. I don't know what they feed them around here. There's a crispy brown.
Yep, thank you. Wow.
I think I got the wrong meal.
They go with the king prawns?
Yeah.
And that goes with the king prawns?
King prawn, king prawn, king prawn.
I am slightly jealous of your duck. Your duck looks delightful. This does look good too. And I got wedges and side, and there's some lettuce that they decided to put on the barbecue. Never had barbecued lettuce, so we'll see how it is. Okay. Wow. Look at that. Damn. Really good. Really, really good. I don't know about that though. Have you ever had barbecued lettuce, Dad?
No.
Give it a try. It's not bad, it's like pepper. It actually isn't that bad. In all seriousness, it's really good. There's like spices and stuff in it or some type of sauce. It's really good.
Get rid of the evil spirits.
Yeah. Look at him.
And your surfboard? Hard rock?
Hard Rock Cafe. You reckon you could surf that one, Dad?
Yeah, no problem. If I can get it down.
Can't even pick it up. Bubblegum Shrimp Company. Definitely got to go there. So we'll check that out another day. Pretty excited actually. That'll tick another one off my list for the bubblegums. We took a beautiful walk back to the beach, exploring the Bali Garden Hotel along the way. This hotel is a hidden gem. It features serene gardens with many fish ponds and even its own temple. Okay, well we've done a full circle. We've walked through, I don't know, probably done about 2-3 kilometres, maybe a bit more. Hasn't taken us that long, but we've done a big loop, and Dad brought me through a hotel called the Gardens, Bali Gardens, I don't know, hotel. Yeah, very nice. And walked straight through it to the beach, and here we are. Now I guess we're just going to go for a wander back along the beach.
Yeah.
Tell you what, I am looking forward to a cold drink.
And a swim?
Yeah. Hey, it's hot. Now that's a huge dude. Huge. Some type of god, possibly. Not sure. And he's standing on top of a turtle. Sea turtle. Looks like he's flipping us the bird too. But no, it's just holding something in his hand. So, a bit different. It's pretty incredibly big though. I'll give him that much. Did I mention that it was really hot? Like, I don't know if you can see, but I'm sweating bad. How are you, Dad?
Yeah.
It's warm, isn't it?
Sweating all right.
What is it, 30, 32, something
32,
like that?
yeah.
Oh, almost trod on one of those offerings. Better not do that. Who knows what type of bad juju will happen to me. So, we're walking back to the hotel now. Might end up jumping into the pool. Yeah, don't know yet. Just see what happens. I'm not exhausted by any means. It's just the actual heat. Well, the humidity is really the killer. Oh, there's a little hole. We'll go through here and maybe there's some shade. I'm not lying when it's hot. You know when there's a big boardwalk area and everyone's walking in this tiny little section on the edge that has shade. Okay, well, we stopped and got Starbucks. It's so hot. So I just got an iced mango drink. Try and cool me down. So much noise. This is what it's like in Bali. If you don't like noise, don't come here. Because it is just chaotic and noisy. Starbucks mango frost drink. I don't know what it is. It's only like $6. So we're walking around the shopping centre area down here at Cuda Beach. Dad's behind me. God, that's bright. So yeah, just needed something to cool me down. It's not really working, it's just that hot. So we'll keep marching along. We're almost back to the hotel. Almost. This is quite a nice area.
Yeah.
There's candy though. I can't help myself, Dad. Chocolate, it's drawing me in.
Chocolate.
It's drawing me in.
Ah, it's the best
I can't help myself. Oh, Reese's Pieces. This is like the kiddie section. I'm going to get... I'm going back over here to the Reese's section. Oh. Way too many options. Decisions. Okay, I think we're gonna go with this. White chocolate and normal. Can't go wrong. And they are 195,000, so that's like $19 Australian, $20 Australian. So not bad. So we're gonna grab those. Oh look, they've even got other American little chocolate bars here. Cool. You were busy?
Gelato. Oh, very
Gelato.
nice.
What is it?
Gelato. This is a cream caramel.
Oh, nice. I got Reese's Buttercups.
Oh.
Oh, look, I didn't even have to walk far. I could have got them right here.
Ice cream will melt when I go out.
Made it back. Here we are down here. Here we are, back at the hotel.
Gotta watch out for those offerings. Almost stepped on some again. That's our room. Overlooking the pool, we had a refreshing swim and now we're off to explore more of the area.
It's definitely a lot cooler in the pool. Cool. Right, we're leaving the hotel. Yeah, we've, thank you sir.
Thank you.
Leaving the hotel, we've been in the pool, had a bit of a relax, cool down. And yeah, now we're heading to the beach, go and have a beer, and yeah, watch the sunset. God, it sounds like such an old person thing to do.
Well, I am.
That side look just then.
You're forgetting. You wait till you get big enough. See how good you feel about
I'll never get old. Never.
it. Yeah, well, you will. Guess what?
But yeah, we're going to do that, then go for some dinner. Dad's got a few places in mind. So, yeah, we're going to see where we end up. As normal, nothing's really changed. Yeah, go check out the beach and get some beers. Right, see you down. Scooters as far as the eye can see. Just thousands of them. Thousands. First bintang on the beach.
Cheers.
Cheers, Dad. Cheers. Sitting here, drink a beer, watch the sunset, get harassed by the locals. What a life.
What a life. What a life.
Well, it's not horrible. I'll say that much.
It's very good. A lot of people like it.
And I would just say before, it's 2 to 4%.
Yeah.
It changes apparently.
Oh,
so,
whatever. Yeah. Good luck.
Who knows what the alcohol content is? It's
Good
just
luck.
it's just water that tastes like beer. Oh, well, works. Time to watch the sunset. Okay, so we've had our drinks on the beach. That was not bad. Cloud cover came in, so it kind of ruined the perfect sunset on the water. But nevertheless, it was nice and relaxing. Now I've got the million scooters we're walking past. God, there's a lot of them. But yeah, now we're heading down to a lane called Poppy's Lane. Check all that out and find some food. Pretty simple evening ahead of us. Yeah, the heat's died down, the humidity's still there, but the sun beaming down on us has gone away, so that's a bonus. Millions and millions of motorbikes. Well, scooters. I don't really call them motorbikes. They're scooters. And then there's one real motorbike in the herd. So from what I can tell, this is just like vendors and stuff.
Yeah, that's right.
And like a market.
Market's been good, isn't it?
Well, we'll have a look, have a squiz. If we don't get run over and killed by a scooter. Woohoo! This is a very active road. Wow.
Scooters everywhere.
Even cars. It's busy.
4 on that one.
Yeah. Oh, Dad, you'd look really good in a dress.
Yeah, lovely.
No.
Good, aren't you?
Did you hear that? Good on me too. Locals throwing some shade. Did not expect that at all. I didn't do that. That was not me.
Oh, like he's recording it.
No, I got the reaction though. I didn't do that, but I got the reaction. Okay, so after walking around a lot, we ended up in Pizza Hut, of all places. So yeah, that is what it is. So do you want to do that, Dad?
No.
No. Oh, let's keep going.
We ventured to the Bali Bombings Memorial to honour and remember those affected. Across the street behind the green fence stands the vacant lot where the Sari Club once stood.
And now it's not been built on, it's vacant. I'm assuming they're going to keep it that way.
Yes, Sari Club is like low ground.
Yeah. Alright, well, so we pay tribute while we're in Bali. Okay, so almost back at the hotel. Got some bottles of water. Got 5 1.5 litre bottles of water, finally. So I'll be able to hydrate up. And yeah, we'll get back there. So not too far away, but yeah, thank you for watching. Yeah, had a pretty cruisy day today. Don't know what we're going to be up to over the next couple of days, but I guess you'll just have to watch and find out. Alright, thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next video.